Hello, hello, hello. Ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome to JJ's Cryptic Corner. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin dominance. We're going to talk about altcoins, specifically probably Cardano, a little bit of SNEK, a little bit of HBAR, a little bit of Ethereum, a little bit of Solana, a little bit of SUI, a little bit of Render, a little bit of Polkadot, a little bit of Ondo, a little bit of Avalanche, a little bit of Total 3, a little bit of everything. Guys, smash the like button on your way in. Appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Friday. Let's get right into it. Super duper duper super chill day today. Let me get my camera on. Are you ready? Ready to see my beautiful face? All right. Happy Friday, guys. We made it. We made it through another week. There we go. Made it through another week. In one piece. No local playing events at the moment. Fingers crossed. That stuff's crazy. Not a big fan. Not a fan at all. John said first like, which is more important. But he said first. Giovanni said let's start Altseason, baby. Fahid said first is John. First is. Giovanni. I agree. Let us begin the alt season. Bitcoin currently trading at 102,580. Bitcoin dominance. What did I say was going to happen? I said we were going to break above, fake out, break back down, break support, and continue. And that's exactly what's happening right now. Beautiful. We lost 59%. Currently going down to test 58. Want to see that break and then continue to the downside. I'm sure 58.5 is going to be some kind of support right down here. Currently 58.7. Let's update our liquidation heat map and see what is going on. What's going on? Ooh, spicy, spicy. We got 101,460. We got 101,198. We got 100,937. And we got 100,762. Next, we got right above 102,768. Ooh, that's close. That's definitely going to get hit. There's no way they don't hit that. Then we got 103,204. A lot of liquidity in between that. That's going to be a nice, fun, little pumpy zone right there, I believe. And then we got 103,465. And then we got I'm going to go right there, 103,727. And then last but not least, the big boy, way up here, 104,512. Very cool, very nice. A lot of liquidity in the market. Fresh liquidity has now entered. Let's see where we go from here. I'm still looking for this situation, this little rejection, and then breakout, like confirmation and continuation. At the moment, we're still mid-recovery, but I like where we're at. Flag boop and boom is in play, guys. Flag boop and boom is in play. ETH is at 33.22, breaking above 33.11 resistance. Looking good. Honestly, these dumps never really happened at this point. We got a little dumpy poo, recovery, accumulation, dumpy poo, recovery. Is it going to accumulate or is it going to keep recovering? Because if it does, then that's an inverse bongo cat. And whenever we see the regular bongo cat in the chart, it leads to a huge dump. So an inverse bongo cat in the chart should lead to a huge pump. Not financial advice. Bongo cat and bongo cat chart patterns are a registered trademark of JJ's Crypto Corner. So currently trading at 233.66. Nice little accumulation underneath our resistance level. Once we break back above that, we should be good to go. This is going to be a potential bongo cat here as well. I don't know. A lot of inverse bongo cats going on. Although we did have something similar here. And it did not quite play out. We got a little rejection. So maybe it's trying to do it lower. I don't know. Total 3, 10. Actually 1.03. What did I say? I literally said we're going to close at 1.02 on my purple line. And that is exactly where we got our close for the month of January, which happened an hour and 15 minutes ago. Why? Why did I perfectly predict that? Is something wrong with my brain? I said this is where we should close based on last bull market, January. I've blown my own mind. My mind is blown. Wow. 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 The fractal bar quad is unstoppable. You can't stop the signal. Guys, Cardano's trading at 95.11. Another like upwards resistance kind of situation. Want to see that break above? I guess is that a ascending wedge? This is kind of a bearish pattern, isn't it? I don't know. We'll see what comes of it. SNEK, chilling. 0.0062, looking good. I got some news on SNEK actually. I'm pretty sure OKX is going to announce a SNEK listing soon. XRP still in its little range accumulation. Currently trying to break below it, but it's holding. You got some wicks down below, so that means people are buying. HBAR still chilling in its little range. It's got the same setup as Sol and ADA with its little like upwards resistance thing. Only this, I guess, looks like a better triangle setup, less bearish. SUI, beautifully following my hand-drawn fractal. We'll see how long that continues to happen. Render at 593. This thing's also in its little range. I want to see this actually turn into an inverse head and shoulders. That would be nice. Nice little trade potential right there. Polkadot at 638. Polkadot's actually been very nicely riding this trend line. These would have been beautiful longs. Long, 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 each one. You would have made a decent chunk of change. Just long, once you get up 10%, take profits. Why not? Each time it would have worked. CAS, 13 cents. This thing's still doing a whole lot of nothing. Avalanche up 1.13%. Setting up its bullish div. Looking good, actually. Looking good. Like legit. Avalanche looks like it's primed. Potential trade. If Avalanche gets above this orange trend line, it's go time, baby. It tried it already, failed once. That might be a trade. I might have to look at that. Chainlink. Chainlink has been like beautiful performer. Beautiful performer. Chainlink chilling at 25.48. Current local high 31. It's literally, what is this? It's down 17% from the freaking high. Big deal. Chainlink looks amazing. Doge, kind of looks like same thing as everything else. Little weird little channel. Ondo, looking great. Ondo broke bullish out of its, or actually it broke bullish, then broke bearish. Both fake outs, but the bearish fake out is the important one because it broke bullish and now it's looking to retest 145 and continue to the upside. Hopefully, Arrow is up 1.57%. We're going to see if this comes to fruition. This fractal. It's also a potential for one of these. Was it this? I think it was this. See if that's it. Polygonmatic poll. This is the, I still haven't published this. Damn it. I really got to remember that. Polygonmatic poll, 41.13. Looking, It looks like near dot Avalanche and ETH. Near, same thing. Chili's got back above its orange trend line, which is good. We're going to see if Chili's turns into anything. Silver got a little bit pumpy today. MicroStrategy got a little bit choppy today. DXY got a little bit pumpy today. NASDAQ got a little bit choppy today. And S&P got a little bit choppy today. Unfortunately, I don't think we are not going to get our recoupling to the ass fractal. Rest in peace, ass fractal. You served us well. Press F in the chat to pay respects to ass fractal, guys. Rest in peace. Bitcoin dominance. Loving every minute of it. And Bitcoin itself. Let's see if we get these liquidations live and on the air. It's Friday night. Let me check the chat. Good, you guys didn't say stuff. Giovanni said, great call. I don't even know. I don't even know how I do it. I don't know how I do it. I did it. When did I make that call, guys? Like a week ago? Index said, shooting star 1 million Bitcoin. Should I be scared? 1 minute or 1 month? I don't like the candles. The candles never play out, in my opinion. CT said, cheers, pooper fam. Can you check XRP short-term TA, please? Yes, I can. Fahid said the moon gets farther and farther away. Giovanni said, cast all hype, no action. That is true. It's very, very disappointing. I'm going to check XRP for short-term price action for you, CT. Cheers, pooper fam. This is my little gnome guy. Delicious. Let's go take a look at XRP, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. It's completely free for you, and it helps out the channel a lot. I'm gonna be home next week, and I'm gonna be taking my streaming way too serious when I get home. So I appreciate you guys taking it serious with me. Let's get some TA on XRP. Short term, so XRP has this lovely range in between 3. It looks like 304 and 326. A lot of volume in this range. A lot of volume in this range. You got a little wick right here. Little wick right here. Little fake outs to the upside right there. Those are nothing. Your main bulk of volume is within 304 and 326. So definitely keep an eye on that. Short term, if you have a ton of conviction in this, it's fair, it's safe to say that every time it comes down to this area, it bounces back up pretty consecutively, at least since January 16th. So it's been 15 days of just consistent holding of this level. If you do go below it, it's very short-lived. So if you're doing like very, very low leverage, low risk calls, then it might not be a bad spot for a long. Plus $3 itself is a very psychological level. So I'm going to mark that. Psychological level right there at 3. And you had bullish div back here. This right here, textbook bullish divergence. Looking good. I will say though, that seems to have played out. You had 13%, maybe not, but it is a pretty high market cap for XRP. So all right, sorry guys, getting a little distracted here. So yeah, it all depends on your conviction with XRP specifically. $3 is a nice psychological level. If you break below that though, my brain has a hard time believing that you would have a solid break below that. I will say this right here, this little dip and then this big spike looks a lot similar to this little dip and then this big spike. And we've seen, I don't know if you were here for it, CT, but on the Polygonmatic pull chart, all of these charts have the same exact price action. Same exact price action, which means the liquidity repeats over time, whether it's repeating in the same time frame on the same or on different charts, or it's repeating different time frames on the same chart. I can take this fractal and probably line it up pretty damn close. Right. I'm just going to take this right here. Look at that. I mean, Is this exactly what it's going to do? That's very possible. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change this to a lighter color. I'm going to make it mostly transparent, and then I'm going to put it at the very back. Visibility, visual order, send to back. So that's going to be behind all of our candles. We're going to watch this. We're going to see if this plays out on XRP, because it looks like it might. Which means, in my opinion, early February, first week of February, XRP should be back around 310, 320. Not financial advice, total speculation. This is just based entirely on the chart and the previous price action. And also keep in mind, I did stretch that fractal out, so it is not 1 for 1. Let's see. How you guys doing today? Are you guys out for work for the weekend? I'm actually super hyped for the weekend. Let's see. CT said, yeah, that is crazy. Pretty much matches up. CT, I was freaking out the other day. This blows my mind. This Polkadot near Avalanche and ETH on Polygon, these are all on the Polygon chart. They are identical. Like, you can't make this stuff up. What? People probably think I just copy pasted them all on here. That's nuts. That is insanity. And then also, can we talk about Total 3 again? The fact that I said like a week ago, maybe even longer, this is where we should close based on last bull market in January, 1.02. That specific, like 1.02 is pretty wide. It's from here all the way to here. And I freaking nailed it by within 0.25%. What? Why don't I make these trades though? Anime, no doubt, has traded Total 3. Let me actually see. Can I trade Total 3? Some on an exchange. Probably Binance, maybe. Yes, you can trade Total 3 on an exchange like Binance. Symbol that represents, dude, I need to get a VPN and just start trading on Binance, man. That is freaking cool. I'm proud of that. Come on, Bitcoin, get a little pumpy. I will say, guys, once daylight savings fixes itself in the United States, I should be able to make every single daily close, because it'll be at 8 p.m. instead of 7 p.m. because 7 p.m. is crazy. But let's see. Let's go take a quick update. Let me look at this thing. Oh, this thing's been lame. Let's see what our watch list looks like. Lane Banana Cat's up 42%. Where is JY's Adventure? Let's go. Look at that. Dude, the confluence levels blow my mind too. I just eyeball these based on previous price action. You had a little bounce right here in the past. A couple bounces right here. 30.76. Is that exactly where that bounced off of? That's exactly where that bounced off of. What the hell? What the hell? That's not even exactly where these happened. That just happens to be where I put it. Somebody's... the market maker's like trying to inflate my ego. Is Banana Cat gonna get this big wick? That would freak me out. What even is that from? Where did I get that fractal? Is that from some other... I think that I think JY said that fractal looks just something. I think he pointed something else out, like GigaChat or something looked exactly like Banana Cat. Is that what's playing out? That would blow my mind, man. That would blow my mind. If you guys aren't aware, JY's Adventure is a regular on the channel. He always gives me the tastiest meme coins. And I just draw on the chart, and sometimes it plays out perfectly. Freaking Popo. I can't believe Popo, man. I cannot believe Popo ripped out my soul. I'm so upset about Popo. Frick, though. I love Frick. Frick is the next generation's meme coin. Hawk Tua actually isn't dead. Crazy. Honestly, if you would have bought the bottom of this, you'd be up quite significantly. Ooh, 100%. 100%. Let's go. I wonder if they're like promoting it on their podcast or something. Is she still asleep? Like, did she like disappear herself off the internet? That'd be kind of funny. The viral sensation, like, unvirals herself. CT said, it's the same holders, ETFs, etc. I think down the road, the smartest thing we can do is invest in the top 10 cryptos because that's where all the smart money will go. I agree. CT said, LMAO, totally trying to fake you out. Philly said, so's Philly. Donnie Connell said, anyone have thoughts on Toshi? We've looked at Toshi. Let me pull it back up. Toshi. You had this little triangle, broke out down. Now, I will say, every single time we've seen a breakout from a triangle, it's a fake out. And it goes the opposite direction. Is that what's going to happen right now? I have no idea. That 7% candle looks very nice. I would like to see it break above this. And maybe that's not even the triangle. Maybe it is like this instead. I don't know. We'll see what plays out. I'll leave that extended though. But yeah, at the moment, Toshi's they got the vision, they got the momentum. Where are they at? In the meme coin sphere. Toshi. I don't know why it doesn't sort about market cap. It drives me crazy. Okay, Toshi's right here. 448 million. Okay. It's above Dog and Mew and Turbo and Popcat. Rest in peace, Peanut. Yeah. I don't mind Toshi. It's got that new meme coin hype, so I feel like it's a decent play. Look at Ergo's getting a little pumpy. Come on, Bitcoin. You know you want to pump. Let's see. Philly said a regular. Donnie meant Tushi. Donnie said I love Tushi. Tyler said, hey bitches, what's going on, Tyler? Let's go take a look at pin link from Mr. Tyler. Mr. Tyler. Pin link is $1.20 still. I do see 1, 2, 3 hits to the downside. Inverse Batman, you say? Actually, you know what I see? You know what I see? Oh, hang on. Can I draw this? Hold on. It's gonna be a hard one. Yeah. Let's go. Dude. Is it rock and roll time for pin link? That took me so long. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, you guys. I have to put up with my stupid shit. I have too much fun. Too much fun. Alright, so let's go check the pin link news, because I know that's what Tyler's going to ask about next. Let's see. Real quick, guys, if you are interested in trading on a no KYC leverage exchange, links are in the description. BitUnix and Ourbit are our recommended exchanges for no KYC. Exercise caution though. Don't over leverage yourself. Don't overexpose yourself. Don't spend more than you can afford to lose. And I don't know. Treat it like gambling. It's a serious thing. Leverage trading is a serious thing. Let's see. We got partnership with OpenServe. Partnership with MineFi. This was yesterday, and today nothing. Really? They haven't posted anything today? What? That's crazy. That's kind of upsetting. Let's see though. Let's see what happens. Bitcoin's getting so close to that liquidation point. Come on, man. Ooh, Billy said not to bring the room down. There was a plane crash in Philly a couple hours ago. It was caught on doorbell cam. It looked like an incoming meteor or asteroid, and it looked like the blast took out 2 square blocks. I saw it, dude. The video is crazy. CT said, yeah, I've been watching it for a while. Had to come here because it was getting depressing, lol. It looked like a missile. It really did, dude. Tyler said, only pin link deserves that. No, why don't you keep that? Oh, can I? Maybe I can go back and redo it. No, I don't think I can. Redo. Nope, I can only remove. Really? Okay. Oh well. It'll be it'll live on in your memory. All right, let's see. Let's see. Banana Cat. I'm gonna keep Banana Cat up just in case JY shows up. Yeah, Bitcoin's at 102,703. Really looking to break that liquidation point. Let's refresh this and see if there's any updates here. Billy, I agree, especially right after the drone. There's drones everywhere in the sky, and then all of a sudden there's no drones. Nobody's talking about drones anymore, but planes are crashing every other day, every single day. That's weird. That's weird. Not to bring it up, but it's kind of weird. It's good to have a healthy skepticism about everything. This shit's getting a little weird. Look at this. Look at all this liquidity. 106,779. Is that where we're going? Ooh. Look at that. We just hit that liquidation point. Is that right up there? 106,779. Yep. Ooh, look at that. Liquidation point hit. By a penny. Okay, maybe mine wasn't as spot on. It's 0.2, okay. 768 now. 0.2. Okay, let's see. Did it hit it? It's almost 10 cents away. Imagine being 10 cents from your liquidation. It's just like $10 million and you're like, you think it's going to go down again. Fahid said, what was the daily close? On Bitcoin, the daily close was 102,429 and 56 cents, which was also the monthly close on Total 3. My prediction of 1.02 trillion was spot on. Literally have had this purple line on this chart for like at least a week, possibly longer. I said this is where we should close based on the last bull market in January. And that is exactly where we closed. And 1.02 goes from here up to here on this chart. Right here. And I put that right at the right spot. Close was 1.02 trillion. That's impressive. I'm impressed with myself. I'm proud. That's crazy. But yeah, Bitcoin's daily close and monthly close for the month of January was 102,429 and 56 cents. We're looking good. We're sitting pretty, guys. We are sitting very, very pretty. Let's see. I gotta pull up a certain thing that I saw earlier. Because I'm excited. I'm getting a little hyped. For SNEK specifically. And if you guys aren't SNEK people, then I mean, you gotta deal with it. It's my channel. It's my live stream. Okay, you ready? This dude noticed in the SNEK promotional thing, they got the showing next and they got some posters, whatever. OKX is on the ground. Bybit is falling out. And the rest of them are in this bucket. Kraken has already confirmed that they're going to list SNEK. OKX is being heavily hinted at right here in a SNEK promotional poster. The K from OKX is right here. SNEK has never used that in their branding ever. And then OKX is posting notifications on with the cowboy. And then they're showing, like, SNEK is showing this freaking, this is the promotional poster. I mean, come on, guys. Do you see what's happening? Do you see what's happening? It's gonna be hyped. I'm so hyped about this. Let's see. Tyler said, yep, I read that. CT said, trust in the gut, that's solid. I call it an athletic guess. I mean, I feel pretty athletic. All right, let's see what's trending today on the meme coin verse. We got lo-fi. I do like me some lo-fi. My intro music is lo-fi. We got Musket, official Musk father. That's funny. Hood guy. Somebody launched Robinhood. It's at its $64.4 million market cap. Duke. The Rizzler. These are all kind of junk, if I'm being completely honest. GigaChat. Oh, GigaChat is up here. That's actually impressive. Knitter. Open source protocol. Jelly. This thing, everyone was talking about Jelly yesterday. I don't know anything about it. Ooh. It's going to rebound beautifully, I bet. I'm not going to be buying any, but I bet you it rebounds so hard. Because everyone's probably like, everyone got scammed on Jelly. What a bunch of idiots. I'm glad I never bought that. Watch it do one of these. Bam. It's going to go higher. It's going to go to like a several billion-dollar market cap. And everyone's going to be like, oh, I missed out on Jelly. Why didn't I buy him? Such an idiot. It's comical, man. And I'm guilty. I've done the same thing. I did the same thing with Goat. I remember Goat. Probably like 50 million. And I looked at it and I was like, this thing is gonna fucking rug. I said that word for word. And then the next day was at a $500 million market cap. Poop AI, keep your shit afloat. Dude, I would have bought the crap out of this. Should I buy some? I'll put $4 on it. Poop AI. Watch this thing. It's gonna go to 0 now that I'm buying some. Here we go. Let me add it to the watch list now. I feel like there aren't enough poop themed meme coins in like the top 100, if any. Let's see. We got 11 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Friday. Can we get the 10 likes? I feel like we were due for 10 likes. Come on, guys. Smash the like button. I believe in you guys. Let's see. We're going to have to do some kind of special something when we return. When we finally are able to do the daily close contest consistently again. I feel like I owe you guys. Let's see. Bitcoin dominance still going down. I think it's time, man. I really do. I think it's totally time for alt season. I think that was it. January's over. We're going into February. January was Bitcoin's time to shine. I'm sure Bitcoin's going to continue to go up. I'm almost positive it is. I'm guessing we're going to hit 120K for the top. That's my guess. What do you guys got? Give me your guesses for the top. Jake said, Happy Friday, JJ. I bought some ETH today. Nice. Tyler said, I wonder how much you'd lose if you put 500 on 20 different new meme coins. Probably 500. I always thought about that though. Like with the quantity of them that blow up and the quantity of them that get created and stuff, if you put if you had a sniper bot and you gave that sniper bot $10,000 and you put $1 on every single coin the second it launches, would you be profitable? I would love to see that done. Just for like educational purposes. That would pump the market so hard too. If somebody did it and then they made like $1 million, you know how many people would have run to the bank and get a loan for 10 grand and drop it on a freaking sniper bot? And then you could like host the sniper bot. Yeah, I got yours in there, Tyler. What else do you guys got? All right. Let's see. XRP, is XRP going to follow the fractal? It is back into its little range. It's looking good. I'm waiting for HBAR to finally start doing something again. Everyone was hyping it up like it was the next best thing since like like the second coming of Christ. Render really is looking like an inverse head and shoulders. I haven't seen it do this pattern in quite some time either. Oh, actually, it did it right here. It did it right here. Ooh. Looking juicy, looking spicy, looking good. I mean, come on. Look at what I'm looking at right here. You got this spike down, spike back up, some chop, inverse head and shoulders, boom. Spike down, spike up, some chop, inverse head and shoulders, boom. The only difference is the dump this time around just went a little bit lower. Interesting. Did it go lower because it's playing out over a shorter period of time? Because this one took place over a couple weeks. Yeah, this is about half the time, so maybe that's why it went lower instead of being sideways like the other one. I don't know. Curious. Very curious. Polkadot. What do we see with Polkadot? I see like a sustained downtrend right now, which is usually bullish. What if this is just a big wedge? I wonder if I could make that work. Ooh. Is it a big wedge? Kind of a big wedge. I could see that. Interesting. Is there bullish divergence too? What's this RSI value at? On the 4-hour time frame, we got 23.3, 24.3. Dude, there's bullish div. Is it? I don't know. It might not count. You break that line right here. Shoot. Oh, hang on. No, it's going right there. I don't know. Yeah, no, it might not count because it broke the line right here. Shit. Well, then what's this value at? 24.6, 24.3. Damn it. All right. Well, forget I said anything. I tried. Maybe this. Can we do that? That's going down, and this went up. Ooh, yes. Okay, we have a bullish div set up on Polkadot. There's too many orange lines. Let me make it like purple. Sure. And this one, purple. All right, so we have solidified bullish div on Polkadot. Is this the bottom? That is a question. It could be, but we would have had solidified bullish div right here as well. I think, right? Maybe? No? Okay, so yeah, this is the first time we've had bullish div set up on Polkadot since last year. Okay, maybe we can get a trade out of that. What about Caspa? See, this is just prices like very slowly chopping to the upside. You did have an inverse head and shoulder right here, which played out to the upside very nicely. See, we were charting CAS so good. We watched everything play out. Look at that. Head and shoulders played out perfect. And then it just kind of fell apart. All the price action gave up and it became a choppy, boring mess. I'm upset. I'm upset with CAS. We're not talking. Let's see. Oh, you guys said a bunch of stuff. Philly said, this is so damn bizarre. Go to 55-second mark. This is so damn tragic. Philly, I'm not watching that on my channel. This was a medical transport plane. Carried 2 doctors and body parts for transplant surgery. Damn. Jake said, I stabled my Trump coin last night and moved it into HBAR today. Okay. I can appreciate that move. Tyler said, I seen this TikTok where it was the first person slicing bread. And he was like, this is the best thing since. That's funny. That's a good one. Billy said, JJ, the pump wasn't that big. I wanted to take a little bit of profits, but didn't expect the pump to start dumping as soon as it did. What pump? Philly said, Jake, you bought some ETH? Good move, bro. Jake said, the dump had a catalyst. Was market responding to Trump tariffs? Thanks, Philly. You've got me scared of shitcoins last night. I like that Philly is like the voice of reason. He comes in here and he's like, you guys gotta watch out. Some of them shitcoins are scams. Some of them regular coins are also scams. And everyone's like, oh shit. He's kind of right. He's not that wrong though. Tyler said, Dot kind of has a downward glizzy going on. Dude, Dot is a textbook downward glizzy. Textbook. Billy said, Jake, shitcoins aren't bad, but by the time they become mainstream, the big moves are already finished. Exactly. That's why it bugs me whenever people are like, oh, I never get any of the pumps. And then you're like, hey, man, go buy SNEK. And they go, oh, is it on Coinbase? I only buy coins when they're on Coinbase. No, it's not on Coinbase. Yes. What coin on Coinbase has pumped enough for people to like retire or make any significant amount of money on? Zero. None of them. Zero of them. Literally. Nobody has ever made money buying a coin that's newly listed on Coinbase. Like you can probably trade some listings, but if it's already up there and you're like, oh, I just like to buy it for the convenience, well, you're gonna conveniently be waiting for like 4 years for any significant gains. So if you don't want to put in the work, you're not gonna get any money. And put in the work is like, that's pushing it. It's crypto. Tyler said that's why I buy off Coinbase Wallet. I mean, that's just decentralized. It's just a branding thing at that point. That's like me saying I buy stuff with my leather wallet in person. Nobody cares what the money comes out of. Ooh. Let's see. Avalanche has bullish div. Is it similar to Polkadot's? No, Polkadot's bullish div is huge. Avalanche bullish div is pretty chill. Actually, can we do this? Whoa. We can. Oh.
Wow, that's actually really nice. Really nice bullish div. But we also, this one we could have set up back here, and it did not play out. Well, actually, did it? Hold on. Yeah, 23% is a pretty big pump. So, not financial advice, but Avalanche. Oh, it's going to go up to 39? So, there's a potential 12% trade? Not financial advice. Chainlink. Yeah, Chainlink, you don't even have to do TA on. Had a little triangle, broke out, and now it's just blasted to the upside. Chainlink's been performing very nicely. Doge? Meh. Doge looks too similar to everything else for me to really care about trying to even chart it right now. It's kind of an anomaly. This is I do think Doge is going to do good things this bull market. Specifically, it is like retail's meme coin of choice. Everyone knows Dogecoin probably more than they know Bitcoin. Dogecoin is like the people's meme. So I feel like it's a good long-term play, like a good, safe, long-term meme coin. It sounds weird to say. Long-term meme coin is like an oxymoron. Tyler said, or Philly said, Tyler and Philly, you guys gotta get profile pictures or something. When there's two orange people, it like messes with my brain. It's like trying to read a billion when it's all numbers and I gotta count the zeros like an idiot. Philly said, wait till the coins are listed on Robinhood, right? E-Trade. What's the other one? eToro. I only buy my coins once they're listed on PayPal. Do they still only have, what do they even have? PayPal had Bitcoin, Litecoin, ETH, and Bitcoin Cash. That's such a weird choice. Weird array of meme coins. There was like one guy in the office at PayPal. They're like, what meme coins do we list? And he's like, I did meme coins in 2015. The main ones that you gotta get Bitcoin Cash and you gotta get Litecoin. And they're like, well, what about Bitcoin and Ethereum? He's like, no. That's the wrong Bitcoin. You need Bitcoin Cash, and then Litecoin is faster than Ethereum. They're like, okay, we're just gonna add Bitcoin and Ethereum to that as well, but we'll list those two. We trust your judgment. He's like, okay, yeah, just wait, you'll see, just wait, and nothing happened. Tyler said, I exchange ETH and Coinbase wallet for shitcoins. LMAO. Tyler, who do you work for? I thought you worked for a paper company. Stop talking up Brian Armstrong. Get out of here. Algo, let's check it. Okay, let's go check out Algo. I think Algo is going to be 30 to 50 billion market cap this year if we get tax-free news. Billy said PayPal crypto, LMAO, Bitcoin Cash, LOL. Tyler said less and less popular with the new meme coin hype. You have to have the new meme coin. I don't think so. I don't think retail likes the new meme coins. I think that's like a handful of PvP players. Stephane Mallet is cracking up. Billy said Litecoin, the Kmart of crypto. It really is a Kmart of crypto because Kmart went out of business. I miss Kmart though, man. I will say I was such a little chonker when I was a kid. I had to shop at the Husky section of Kmart. They didn't even have like, they couldn't even say just like large because large didn't fit. You had to get like wide, but wide was rude, so they said Husky. So it made me feel like a little, I guess a little less fat, a little more manly. Let's see, Algorand, we had a estimation fractal. Now, if this is like diminishing returns, this actually looks like this fractal. But instead of going up like this, it just went up and then like this. Same time frame, just less bullish price action. People started like this sell-off started like right here-ish. I can't draw a straight line to save my life. Jeez. Right here. Where on this fractal. And down here, it started right here. So, less people are believing in Algorand this time around, I will say. You had a nice blue support line we were looking at. It looks like it broke below that for a second and then created this situation. It actually kind of looks good. Let's see. Can we create some kind of range? Not a lot of confluence here. But it is a shape. There's a shape that has formed. There's a shape that has formed. The lower trend line is definitely relevant. We got at least 4 touches there. That looks good. The upper one, there's only 3. So maybe let me go down here. That's still, oh, that's only 2 at that point. So I guess maybe I want to see us get above this purple line. Looking like 43 cents. Let's see, where even is Algorand? Dude, how's Litecoin number 19? I feel bad saying that, but how? It doesn't do anything. It's like depressing. ETH Classic should at least be. God, how is ETH Classic down here, but Litecoin is in the top 20? Algorand's number 43. Damn. So you're looking for a 10x, $3.80. What's Algorand's all-time high? $3 actually, yeah. So you think it can hit its previous all-time high? The question is, did they inflate? Okay, now you're just trolling me. Uh-oh. Okay. So that all-time high was hit. It was actually a huge wick. What the heck? Thursday, November 18th, 2021. November 18th, 2021. We got November 14th and November 21st. November 21 is right here at $1.87. 14th is right here at $2. So we're going to go with the 14th. So November 14th, 2021. Algorand was number 20 at a $12 billion market cap. Oops. Circulating supply was 6.2 billion. Current circulating supply is 8.4 billion. Okay, so they added about 33%. Algorand with a market cap of, let's go with stupid ton coin. Nobody likes ton coin. $1.44. I hate that this even exists. Lido staked Ether. Isn't that just Ethereum? 261. So if Algorand got into the top 10 right now, it would be $4. Wow. 34, yeah, there's your 10x right there. Interesting. I think the problem though is that the other American coins right now, like nobody cares anymore. Hedera, I think is the biggest offender. $1.40. Looking for $1.40 on Algorand, my personal opinion. Poo power? Is it getting pumpy or is it going to poo on me? Yeah, I need to see some more conviction on Algorand if I'm being completely honest. The price action looks nice though. The volume's starting to pick up. A lot more volume than previously. Look how much more volume there is right here. Ton of volume. Back here, what the hell is this? In comparison, it's nothing. Nothing compared to what's going on right now. So something's up. Maybe you're onto something. Maybe they're accumulating. Maybe I'm just maybe I'm trying to help hype myself up. There's something here though in this chart. It looks like a good chart. I don't know, something to it. I don't know. Ooh, can we check Velo Labs? Absolutely. Thank you very much for the super chat, Stefan. Appreciate you. Let's go check Velo Labs. Velo. Is this the right Velo? Assuming this is the right Velo. Let me go to the daily because it looks like I have a line on here from some time. Actually, that doesn't really apply to anything. You can see here you got a little parabola forming.
Let me just try to get the mean. Yeah, so that'd be my guess. This is kind of irrelevant. Maybe you could do one of these. Yeah, right there. That looks great. Nice, beautiful, riding that trend line. Little double bottom right here. Another touch. Yeah, I like that. So Velo, if I was looking at this and I was like, when should I buy? If it comes down here and touches this line right here, if it comes down to 13, immediate buy for me. Not financial advice. It's just if I was looking at this and I was trying to trade it myself, 13 is a buy. It might go a little bit lower. You might even see a fake out below that. And then probably maybe back up. I don't know. Could do anything. It might not even get that low. You're going to have support right here for sure. Psychological level, probably 20. Or 2, I guess, 2 cents. You're going to see support right here. Because you got your, this actually was an inverse head and shoulders. Textbook played out perfectly. So you got support from right there at 12. You're going to have support at 15 just for psychological purposes. And you're going to have support at 10 or 1. So any of those definite buys. I'm guessing though that it's probably not going to break below this blue line, which I'm going to make a little bit thicker so it's easier to see. So yeah, those are the points of interest based on confluence in the chart. And then you're going to have resistance here, clearly. You're going to have resistance maybe here. Yeah. Yeah, I'll go right there. You're going to have resistance here. You're going to have resistance here. And then, I mean, from there, there's not a lot of confluence the rest of the way up until you get up to here. A lot of resistance right here. Ton of resistance. And this also depends on the inflation. The reason it dumped so much might be because they inflated their supply. Let's actually see. We're on the daily chart right now. So on the daily, on KuCoin, this thing's current all-time high was right here. Actually, it was back here. November 2nd, 2020. So 2020, November 2nd. Let's go to November 1st. You can't do that. We had a wick down. So let me see, maybe March 14th, 2021. March 14th, 2021. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to go down a little bit, load a little more. Oh, did I break it? Network error? No. Load more? Okay. I got scared for a second. I thought my internet went out. Velo. Okay, Velo was not in the top 400, it's looking like. Really? What the heck? Load more? Maybe it was at a different name? Did they change their name? Velo, Velo, Velo. Let me try it again. Really? Am I crazy? It was past the top 1,000. Something's up. Maybe they changed their name. Originally called Velo Digital Credits, Velo Labs. Explanation. Velo Digital Credits are stablecoins that are pegged to a reference fiat currency. Velo Labs, Velo Protocol, Velo Token, Velo. I don't know, maybe it just wasn't around. Am I crazy? Okay, so I can't find it to reference the historical market cap from back then. So I'm would normally tell you if they inflated their supply or not. But this is the first time that I'm actually not able to do that, which kind of makes me a little bit sad. But yeah, for trading purposes, points of confluence, you got a lot going on, for sure. Look for very slight resistance potential here at 26. So yeah, these are the points that you want to pay attention to. Points of confluence don't mean bullish or bearish. It just means that there was previous volume here, which means people were buying and selling at these levels. So there's a potential for a reaction off of these levels, which we've seen already, which is why they're points of confluence, because you see this is resistance right here. This is support right here. It was resistance previously. So was this support, resistance, both of these lines. This one was support. That's points of confluence. Let's see. Jake said Litecoin is great for bet online deposit and withdrawals. Oh, nice. Tyler said, hey, my dad is making good money on Litecoin. Boomer, buying a boomer. Dude, Litecoin was my first love. Litecoin was the reason I got into crypto. Billy said JJ Kmart had its moments. You could spend $30 and walk out with dress pants and a shirt and a tie. Dude, I loved Kmart. I don't know why it went out of business. I also thoroughly enjoy Martha Stewart, who had a lot of products in Kmart. Taylor said yes, but Algo is going to be named with the others, and people will see the highest potential profit will be Algo because it's low market cap. Let me see. Nope, that's not what I wanted. American coin price chart. Let me see. Coins made in USA. Yeah, right here. Top made in USA coins, buying market cap. According to CoinGecko, I am human. I believe it's in the 40s right now, Algorand. So it should be in here. 23, 28, 33. Are you sure Algo's American? I don't think Algo's an American coin. That or the people just don't speak up. Oh, it's number 50? I feel bad now. Render, Filecoin, Stacks, Injective, Optimism, Theta, Bonk, WorldCoin, Movement. Those are all technically higher potential for gains. Tezos is not American. Am I crazy? Was this not like some Middle Eastern coin? Ooh, Onyx coin. That's probably another reason why that's getting so pumpy. Pengu, Aerodrome. Ew, Helium. Get out of here. Helium. That's junk. Junk coin. Superverse. This is the biggest scam in the world. Man, there's some deep cuts in this. That's funny. Oh my gosh, remember Anchor? I like all these. All these are flavor of the week coins for the last like 4 years. That's funny. That's so good. All right. Stefan said I bought below at 0.00. I keep doing that too. 0.006. Jake said TA on the Ryan Garcia meme coin. The Heat said like the stream and subscribe. Mangekyo Sheringan said gambling shitcoins is wild. It's thoroughly enjoyable though. But yeah, it is gambling. And it is wild. Oh, okay, somebody said Ryan Garcia meme coin. Ajax said, what's up, bro? Love the streams. Appreciate you, Ajax. What's going on? Ryan Garcia meme coin. I feel like somebody's asked me about that before. And I couldn't find it or something. This King? Which one? 7 months, 12 days, 7 months, 17 days. Ryan Garcia meme coin. This one? Contract address for that? Hook me up with a contract address. Tyler said, look up the crypto that could be tax-free. Click on like the second link about Eric Trump. That's why. It's talked about with the big shot US coins. Because one random article mentioned it.
I don't know. That sounded a little echo chambery, Tyler. Try to get out of my echo chamber. Sometimes I echo it further. Like all the SNEK stuff, my entire echo chamber is just SNEK themed. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. I either get SNEK or, ironically enough, cute birds. Official Ryan. All right, official Ryan. Okay, what's that one? The fugly one. Trash. Wop, wop, wop. Absolute trash. Oh, it's $8.6 million market cap, though. That's funny. So they must have done a pre-launch and then public. So pre-launch, public. So they probably pre-launched, sold a bunch here, opened to the public pumped it up. All the pre-launch people went, ha, sell. And now it's 8.6 million. What's crazy is you can actually look at the market cap chart and see this thing went up to 50, 60, 70, 80 million. 86.21 million. 86.54 million actually for the high. $86.54 million. So the pre-sale people made what? 800%? Some on average, the average pre-sale person made probably 400%. That's awesome. Congratulations, Ryan Garcia people. The rest of you guys, Godspeed. Good luck. The force is strong with this one. I don't know. What else? What are you supposed to say? Peace be with you. Should we do some TA on this meme? Let's do some TA on this meme. Did I just... Oh no! My RSI! Okay, we're good. We're good. 15 minutes time frame. Not a lot to see. You get a nice big fat 223% candle right there. Eaten up almost immediately. Another scam wick to the upside. Who's selling? That is the question. The ultimate question. There really is no chart to chart. Look at this, was all the smart people like not being involved. Look at how it actually flatlined right there. For a good like 2 hours. That's actually quite impressive. For a coin with $8.6 million market cap, flatlining for a good 2 hours. And then another one for an hour? What is Wow. I'm impressed at the flatline. I don't know who Ryan Garcia is. He's probably going to kill me. Because I definitely don't box. Alright, let's go down to the 4 hour. Man, Bitcoin, I can't tell. It looks like it hit that liquidation point. Let's actually go see. SPL said Ethereum. I'll go take a look at that in a moment. Stefan said I put 200 on a shitcoin and turned it into 1500 in a couple hours and bought drums. Nice. Shitcoins make cash. Hell yeah. Tyler said, JJ, I research more nows than you. LMAO. Algo pops up anywhere they talk about tax-free US coins. More news than you. I don't research news. I go to work and then I come home and I stream for you guys. Excuse me. And then I watch Pirates of the Caribbean and I go to bed. Dude, the bed here. Whoa. The bed here? The bed here is memory foam. I've had a memory foam bed in the past. It's been a long time though. I melted into that bed yesterday. And I had way too many Red Bulls throughout the day. So I was just laying there. This is me. I was laying in the bed and I was like staring at the ceiling because I couldn't sleep. But man, it was like the most comfy I can't sleep I've had in a long time. Sorry, SPL. Let me go take a look at Ethereum for you. So on ETH specifically, we've been watching and waiting. And ETH has been chopping and accumulating. And you know something's about to happen because the bigwigs, the rich mother effers, are buying it up. It's looking like maybe... I don't know actually, because ETH is in our weird chart scenario where the chart looks identical
to Near, Polkadot, Avalanche, and Polygon. All of these coins look 100% identical, or 90% identical. That's crazy. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. And it's been since December 20th. Ever since December 20th, ETH and a bunch of other coins have had identical price action. Identical price action. Like, it's almost unbelievable. If I didn't have the chart, you would tell me, you would think I was exaggerating. You'd be like, okay, shut up about it. I heard you the first 5 times. That's cool. The fact that I can show you, I guess, illustrates that I'm not being dramatic. But I am being dramatic because it's a dramatic thing. ETH, I think, has immense support at 3K. Huge psychological level. That was our first big bust to the upside, was solidifying 3K level. Solidified that pretty hard. Continued to the upside, used it as a huge springboard, came back down, grabbed a little more liquidity. Up some more, down, more liquidity. Up some more, down, more liquidity. This has all been one huge accumulation right here. Now that that's over, and Bitcoin dominance is getting dumpy, hopefully ETH starts to finally pump. The only issue I see, and what our audience has pointed out a couple of times, is last bull market, Ethereum did not have to compete with Solana. For the first time ever, Sol has outperformed ETH with, as far as revenue is concerned, for 30 consecutive days in a row. And the huge difference in the cost of fees just shows you how dramatic that is. Sol fees are like a fraction of a penny. ETH fees are like $25 on average. So whatever, do that math and then consider the concept that there's just more of the Sol fees happening. There's that many more transactions happening on Sol than on ETH. And yeah, it's because of shitcoins and stuff. So it's a foundation made of sticks, but it's a big foundation. Like, ETH is like a nice boring brick building. Sol is Burning Man. You know what I mean? Like, which one's gonna look like the more appealing spot to party? But the bull market's not always about partying. We party after. So maybe ETH will finally start to do something. I'm hoping ETH Bitcoin is bottomed out, because I think this is going to be the ultimate signal for altcoins. Potential double bottom right here on ETH Bitcoin. Nice support at 0.03. Very nice support right there. So we had this, the only, I guess, anomaly. This blue trend line goes way back for ETH Bitcoin. Like, way back. Apparently at the beginning of time. The dawn of the dinosaurs, 2015. And I really tried to fudge it, but it broke it. It broke this trend. So you had 2015, you had 2019, and you have now. So I guess I don't know, there's only 2 points of confluence, so it's iffy. It's pushing it. And you could have said the same thing back here. You had this trend line, and it broke below it. Broke back above, below, and then bam. So maybe that's what's happening. Actually, I kind of like this. Let's keep going with this. So you had your 2 points of confluence here, and then you broke below. Resistance, attempted support failed, attempted support succeeded, springboard, bull market. That being said, now you have 2 points of confluence. Broke your support. Is it going to do resistance, resistance? Ask for permission and bull market? I don't know if it's going to take that long. Let's actually just take that fractal. Yeah, right there. I'm going to get rid of this one because this one's clearly not happening. Actually, no, I'm going to keep that up there. I'm going to keep them both. One of them's green, one of them's gray. So let's see if ETH chops September. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, interesting. That's September too? Why is it always September? I don't know. Are we going to have a prolonged, like, Bitcoin market? Maybe we don't get a bull market until August. Wouldn't that be depressing? Or maybe ETH doesn't do anything bullish until August. So I'm either looking at the possibility of ETH bull market starting right now or kind of chilling till August. Or I guess not really August. This is a pretty significant pump. Maybe December. Okay, that's August 2026. Whoa. This is on the weekly time frame. All right, maybe this is not relevant. I'll leave the fractals here just for educational purposes, but hopefully ETH just starts to go up. I'm not gonna try to rely on this as an indicator for alt season though. I'm looking strictly at total 3 and Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin dominance broke down exactly like I said it was going to, and we're looking good at the moment. Let's go back, check on Bitcoin. Chilling. We are chilling. I'm so stoked that it's Friday. I have to work tomorrow and Sunday too, so it doesn't really matter. Jake said, what are you guys' thoughts on Warren Buffett selling off record amount of stocks last year and stockpiling $350 billion in cash? He's an old dude taking profits. He's earned it. Isn't that one of the people that... Yeah, he said it was rat poison squared. That's like, I don't even know what level of boomer that is. Like, they thought that was the biggest. They're like, it's rat poison. Oh, what about rat poison squared? Oh, they fucking shit their diaper while they're laughing. I'm sorry. That's fucked up. I mean, come on. Good for them. They made their money, but don't shit on another asset just because you don't know what the fuck it's about. You sound stupid at that point, and you look stupid. That's embarrassing, Grandpa. Grandpa, why did you say those things on TV? My friends all think you're a dumbass. All right, I'll stop. I'm not gonna bully these old people. But I mean, this thing's 100K now. They could have got a 10x within a year, maybe 2. Two years. Right there, January 2023. You buy January 1st, 2023, you would have bought the Pico bottom, 16K. And if you would have held until right now, 535%. The 4-year cycle, baby. Rat poison squared? How about rat poison cubed, old man? All right, I'm actually going to stop this time. Oh, man. I think I'm going to play some video games tonight, maybe. Having too much fun. Tyler said he's like 1,037 years old. He's just gonna... Tyler, that's fucked up. Reminds me of Old Man Jenkins. It reminds me of Clint Eastwood, actually. In Gran Torino. I don't know why. It's just a cranky, miserable old man. He's got all the money in the world. And instead of looking at something and being like, I'm interested in learning about that, he goes, aren't you rat poison? That's cringe. Old man cringe. Oh. 1,037 years old. He's hoarding cash, man. That's too funny. I don't know. I feel bad for people like that. It's sad to think about. They can't find happiness, you know. All the money in the world, and they're still pissy. Come on, man. Yeah, loosen up. Loosen up, Buffett. Take you out for a night on the town in Vegas. As long as you're paying. I've never been to Vegas either. I'm probably gonna freak out. I'm not getting on a plane either, so we're gonna have to drive. Let's see. Chainlink is up 2.86%. This thing's just been blowing up. I'm kind of loving it. Yeah, I don't know. I think Render looks like the best chart right now, in my opinion. It's up 3% on the day. You got the inverse head and shoulder potential. It's like breaching into its accumulation zone. From the top, it's down quite a bit from up here. 50% retrace. And I mean, it's GPU sharing. You know who needs GPU? Literally any artificial intelligence software. So it's going to be interesting to see what comes of it. I feel like Render is going to be a really good play. Where's it at, actually? I'm curious. Number 45. Really? See, Algorand's 43. Well, what chart was I looking at? It said 50 something? Yeah, what? What's going on at CoinGecko? They have like more coins in between? That's weird. Or are they all just like stupid staked ETH derivatives? Staked ETH, unstaked ETH, locked ETH, temporarily unlocked ETH, locked for 3 months ETH, wrapped locked ETH, wrapped unlocked ETH. Oh man. Tyler said, better yet, the old lady that looks like a stick. You know which one I'm talking about? Discord? Oh god. Oh no. the chocolate grandma from SpongeBob. Chocolate. Is that the chocolate grandma? Oh man. All right, fellas. I'm gonna call it. I think 9:33. I'm gonna chill. Get some chill time in. Maybe play some video games. I appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Friday. Smash the like button on your way out. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. I'm gonna actually post in the chat really quick. If you guys could do me a solid, go vote for my mom's dog in this hyperlink in the freaking chat. You need a Facebook, but my mom's taking this contest way too seriously. We're in second place. We've gotten to first place several times. She keeps asking me every night. She's like, did you vote? Did you vote? Make an old lady happy. I checked it, Tyler. Jake said, have a good night, JJ. Thanks, man. I already looked, Tyler. I'm not putting it on. I'm not putting it on stream. I gotta go. I'll talk to you in Discord though. You guys have a good night. I appreciate you. Happy Friday. Peace.